Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Scarf Loom is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable crafting tools you can add to your collection, allowing you to create beautiful, custom scarves with ease and speed, transforming simple yarn into wearable art that reflects your personal style and creativity, making it an ideal choice for both beginners looking to explore the world of knitting and experienced crafters seeking a new and efficient way to produce stunning accessories that are perfect for gifting or personal use. Number 5. SENTRO 48 Needle Smart Knitting Machine. Discover the joy of knitting with our smart knitting machine. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, allowing you to create beautiful pieces effortlessly. Creating flat or round stitches is a breeze. Simply thread the yarn and turn the crank to bring your ideas to life while improving your hand-eye coordination. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic, this knitting tool is safe, durable, and built for endless creative fun. You can truly weave anything you imagine. Achieve professional-looking knit fabric in minutes, no complex skills needed. Just guide the yarn and turn the handle for quick and easy creations. Experience knitting up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. Make hats, scarves, and socks in no time, perfect for gifting or personal use. This circular knitting machine makes an ideal gift for any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a unique, handmade present that's perfect for beginners. What we like? This machine offers an impressive 48 needles, allowing for rapid creation of knitted items. It also features a convenient row counter to keep track of your progress. If you're looking to knit hats, scarves, or socks quickly and efficiently, especially if you're a beginner wanting to see fast results, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The loom is easy to use and produces beautiful scarves. It's a great tool for beginners who want to learn how to knit scarves. The loom is well made and durable, and it comes with clear instructions. Number 4. Mira HandCrafts Complete Round Knitting Loom Kit. Discover the ultimate knitting experience with our comprehensive round loom kit. It includes everything you need to get started on your next project. This kit features 4 knitting looms in various sizes, perfect for working with bulky yarns. Create anything from hats to scarves with ease. Unleash your creativity with 4 pom-pom makers in different sizes. They're included to help you add charming details to your creations. Get started right away with our detailed, step-by-step instructions. They come with helpful photos for both the looms and the pom-pom makers. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is ideal for beginners and experienced knitters alike. It's a wonderful present for any occasion. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy your crafting journey with confidence, knowing we prioritize your experience. What we like? This is a truly comprehensive kit, providing 4 different loom sizes to accommodate various projects, from hats to larger items. It even includes pom-pom makers for added flair. If you're a beginner who wants everything you need in one box to start creating a variety of knitted items and accessories, this all-in-one package is perfect for you. What people say. The loom is easy to use and makes beautiful scarves. It's a great loom for beginners, and the instructions are clear. The finished scarves have a professional look and feel. Number 3. Leisure Arts Loom Knit Dishcloths Book. Discover a wealth of knitting patterns that will spark your imagination. Each stitch tells a unique story, inspiring your next creation. This book is perfect for everyone, whether you're a seasoned knitting expert or just beginning your journey. It caters to all aspirations. Find patterns for every season and occasion, from cozy winter items to cherished keepsakes. There's something for every time of year. With clear and concise instructions for each pattern, even beginners can confidently start knitting. Unlock a world of creativity. This compact and portable book is your ideal companion for knitting on the go. Let your creativity flow wherever you are. What we like? This product is a pattern book filled with clear, step-by-step instructions for a wide range of projects, including seasonal items. It's designed to inspire creativity for knitters of all levels. If you already have a loom and are looking for new project ideas and guidance to expand your knitting repertoire, this book will be an invaluable resource. What people say. This loom is very easy to use and makes beautiful scarves. The loom is well made and sturdy, and it comes with clear instructions. I love that this loom allows for a variety of stitch patterns, which makes each scarf unique. Number 2. Wayion Knitting Loom Set. Discover the joy of knitting with our versatile loom set. Perfect for creating a wide range of projects, from cozy scarves to beautiful blankets. This kit includes 4 different sizes to suit all your needs. Create delicate children's scarves, stylish adult scarves, or even large blankets and shawls. Crafted from sturdy ABS plastic, these looms are built to last. The color coding makes it easy to identify each size at a glance. Included are 4 looms, a yarn needle, a loom pick, and instructions to help you create your first hat. You'll have everything you need to begin your knitting journey. With a flexible design and easy-to-use pegs, you can adjust the thickness of your yarn and experiment with different textures. They are lightweight and comfortable to hold, making them ideal for knitters of all skill levels. What we like. This set includes 4 color-coded looms in various sizes, from small for children's scarves to extra large for blankets and shawls, with adjustable pegs for different yarn thicknesses. If you need a versatile set of looms that can handle a wide range of projects and yarn types, and you appreciate the ease of identifying sizes, this durable set is an excellent option. What people say. This loom is very easy to use and makes beautiful scarves. The loom is well made and sturdy, and it comes with clear instructions. I love that this loom allows for a lot of creativity in scarf design. Number 1. JapanAmStore DIY Knitting Loom. Discover the joy of crafting with our versatile knitting loom. It's perfect for creating a wide range of projects, from cozy scarves to warm blankets. This tool is incredibly simple to use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters. You'll be knitting beautiful items in no time. Its innovative design allows you to use various yarn thicknesses. Pegs securely hold your yarn while allowing for smooth stitch creation. Choose from 4 different sizes to suit any project. Create small scarves for children, adult accessories, or even large blankets and shawls. This DIY kit provides hours of creative fun. While children can learn quickly, adult supervision is recommended for safe use. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this loom is built to last. Enjoy countless hours of knitting with this reliable tool. What we like. This is a long knitting loom designed for creating items like scarves and blankets, featuring adjustable pegs to accommodate different yarn weights. It's highlighted as super easy and quick for both young and old. If your primary goal is to knit long, flowing items such as scarves or shawls, and you value simplicity and speed, this loom is a great choice. What people say. This loom is easy to use and produces beautiful scarves. The loom is well made and sturdy, ensuring it will last for years. It comes with clear instructions, making it simple to get started even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.